Hello, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I'd like to share with you the Little One collection designed by Becky Moore. The Little One collection includes wonderful papers, whimsical stamps with coordinating dies, beautiful ephemera, as well as cut-apart sheets, die paper, and so much more. Let's jump in and take a look at each of the pieces individually. The first piece in the Little One collection is the collection kit, which includes 6 lovely patterned papers. They're double-sided, and you get 2 of each of the papers in the collection kit, as well as the cut-aparts and the sticker sheet. The Elements sticker sheet is filled with lots and lots of wonderful elements, including hearts and words for titles, both baby girl and baby boy, rainbows, these sweet, sweet little animals. You asked and we listened. We've had many requests for gender-neutral baby collections, and it's harder than you think. The new trend is black and white, so we thought this would be a perfect time to give you black, white, and gray elements in a baby collection that you can customize and make your own. So that's kind of the thought process behind the black and white baby collection, so that no matter whether you like pinks or blues or greens or teals or purples, you can add those in with any of the elements in the Little One collection. There's boy and girl included in this collection, so you don't have to choose just one. You get a little bit of everything, which makes it nice. So this is the Sweet Dreams paper. The cut-aparts are great for adding to pocket page scrapbooks, as well as cards, layouts, some journaling blocks. Love that. Kind of love the rainbows and the sunshine. So sweet. This paper is featured Byron the Bear. It features all these adorable little animals, including the giraffe and the bunny, the panda, the tiger, the rabbit. So sweet. The back of that features these beautiful stripes that have kind of irregular scallops along the edges. The nice thing about this paper is if you make baby cards or baby layouts and you have extra left over, this could easily be used for something that's not baby. The black and white is very universal to use for other things as well. This paper is called Oh Dear, and I love the two-tone gray stripes in the background, as well as the forest animals and the trees and the mountains. So pretty. And then the back is more neutral with the black and white polka dots. This paper is called Twinkle Twinkle. It includes mobiles, toys, blocks, as well as binkies and pacifiers on a beautiful black background. The back of that paper features just little tiny clouds and hearts and stars and polka dots, which would be great for a background. You could easily add just a hint of pink or blue, whatever your favorite color is, and give it a little bit more color if you want to add just a touch of color that might be your favorite. Super easy to customize and make your own. This is called Baby Blanket, and the front side features the whimsical font with all the fun letters. Perfect for coloring in if you decide you want to do that, or you can leave it black and white. The back has this wonderful Aztec pattern on it that you could easily use for other projects when you're finished making your baby layouts. This paper is called Over the Rainbow. For obvious reasons, check out all of these fun and whimsical rainbows, the clouds, the little puffy clouds, these little dotted stars. So, so cute. The back of that paper includes lots of gray, black, and white stripes. So precious. The next piece in the Little One collection is the Solids Plus. And the Solids Plus has 3 double-sided papers, 2 grays, a light gray and a dark gray, and then a black. And then on the back of each of those features a great pattern. Let's take a look at those. The first paper is the solids in dark gray. This is the dark gray side. And then the back has this great arrow stitched effect on a white background. This is the solids plus light gray. So this is the light gray side. And I love this fun kind of swirly wire effect on the back. Kind of looks like a telephone cord all wrapped up. The last sheet is called Solids plus Black. You have the black side, and then on the back you have this fun and kind of whimsical X's and O's. I think this would be amazing to mix and match with the Love Letters collection. Wouldn't that be a great background? This is the Little One cardstock ephemera pack. It includes all of the pieces you see here. There are 26 pieces in this collection, including phrases, fun frames, tickets, tags, and so much more. I love some of the sayings on the different pieces. I just did 9 months on the inside. How fun is that? I still live with my parents. Small for a limited time only. Love the different characters and the fun little animals, the rainbows. Milk, it's what's for dinner. How fun is that? So lots of pieces to mix and match, add some foam tape, create 3D elements for layouts or cards. Perfect way to add a little bit of fun to your projects. This collection also features 3 beautiful stamp sets, and each stamp set is a little different. They match different pieces and parts in the collection itself. So if you like the little animals, there is the animal set called Little One Animals that includes these 6 adorable animals, a banner, and 4 different sentiments that fit inside of the banner. So you can make a little girl or a little boy card or add those to your layouts. This one is called Little One Icons, and it has fun little icons that match all of the pieces in the collection, including this fun little thought bubble, clouds, this cute little crescent moon, stars, the sun, a fun little crown. You could make baby shower cards, hello little one, welcome to the world, little princess, little prince, and sweet dreams, and all of those fit inside of the little thought bubble as well, or the speech bubble. There's one that's a little bit larger that includes these amazing rainbows, and I confess, I love a good rainbow. And this set, even though I don't have grandkids in my life yet, this is a set that I would use to create cards for babies, but also for just rainbow cards for other purposes. So I can see lots of use for this set that's not baby as well. It has lots of the nested rainbows. I love the different patterns that you can add and create a rainbow with different patterns too. So that's fun. It has both a girl and a boy sentiment, some clouds, the sun, this fun little mountain, and a few sayings down here at the bottom. I will shower you with love, hello little girl or hello little boy, it's a girl or it's a boy, enjoy every little moment, you are my greatest adventure, and then the last one, you make me every color of happy. How sweet is that? So you could stamp these in different colors, you could stamp them in shades of neutral browns to grays to black. How beautiful would that be? Each of the stamp sets also have a coordinating die that is sold separately, so you can get the matching die as well. I wanted to share with you the die cuts that work perfectly with the stamps as well, but there's also a die paper. So if you are making lots of, say, invitations, baby invitations, or thank you notes, or whatever, you could pick up the dies, you can stamp the images, but you could also pick up the die paper and have all of these designs ready to cut out. You don't have to stamp them, you just have to go ahead and use your dies to cut them out. Like with every die paper, there is an idea at the bottom, which you can see right here, of a card that's ready to go. So if you need a card really quickly, grab your paper, cut out your elements that you want to use on that card, and you can make a quick card. And this is what it looks like finished. If you like your rainbows in bright, bold colors, you can also use the dies to cut out beautiful rainbows, layer them on top of the base, and get these beautiful full color rainbows. Add it to this gray background and look how beautifully they pop. The other thing I want to share is if you would like to add just a touch of color to the neutral tones, say your favorite color is teal. You could easily add a little hint of teal on your card. How adorable is that? This is the first collection that PHOTOPLAY has actually created multiple die papers for one collection. So we had the rainbows, which were beautiful, and now they're also the Little One Animals die paper, which includes all of the elements you see here, as well as a card that's ready to be made. Cut out the pieces, die cut your sentiments and your little animals, and you're ready to go. So not only do the dies coordinate with the stamps themselves, they coordinate with the die paper, which allows you to make a beautiful card. How sweet is that? Fast, easy, a quick card when you need one in a hurry. I like the fact that you can add just a touch of color, whether it's a baby girl and they like yellow, or a baby boy and they like teal or mint green, or mom and dad have a bedroom in a certain color. You can add that color in small touches and have a beautiful gender neutral collection that can work with both boys and girls and include the favorite color that you might like to add. This is the Little One Icons die paper. If you're a stamper and love to stamp and make your own cards, the stamp set is included in this collection, as well as the matching dies that are sold separately. They coordinate beautifully. The dies also cut all of the pieces on the Little One's Icon die paper. You also get the same little quick and easy card idea at the bottom. Cut out your pieces, decide what you want to put on your card. When it's finished, it looks like this. The nice thing about the die papers is that they all mix and match beautifully. So if you want to add any of the papers from the collection and use those as backgrounds, you can. There's lots and lots of elements to create invitations, thank you cards, baby announcements. The last element in this collection is the Little One Color Me paper. It includes all of these fun 3x4 elements, both boy and girl, that you can color and add to a card or a layout. There are 4 sweet little animals down at the bottom that you can color, and they match perfectly with the coordinating dies, so you can color and cut those out. The back of that paper includes this amazing cloud background, and I think this would be absolutely adorable colored with light blue clouds and used as a background for a layout or a card. Absolutely precious. So that is the last piece in this collection. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as we have creating it for you. If you like this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Thanks for watching.